Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking another look at a battle box. That's right, survival plus outdoors. Adventure delivered to you every single month if you so desire. And we're going to be taking a look at that. But before we do, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and ring the notification bell because it does absolutely no good, but it makes me feel better. Yeah. All right. Are you guys ready for battle box? I'm ready. You ready? Let's do it. Alright, so we are back with BATTLBOX, and as per usual, if you are interested in checking out this box, you can just go to the Google, type in the Battle of the Box, it'll take you to the website, and yeah, they got a couple boxes for you to choose from, and you can tell by the size of this box, we get the ginormous one, whatever, the Pro Plus or something like that. Alright, now this box is big. That's what she said, giggity giggity. So I can't really put it over here because I don't have that much. So I'm going to open it and then I'll just throw it through the camera, okay? So let's see what we got. If I can get the box open. Woo, boy, this box is full of stuff, yo. Holy crap. Okay, so, hang on. All right, let's do this first. Okay, so this is what we got. Battle box, mission brief, number 130. Yeah, 130. There you go. Love the pictures. Got a guy on this outcropping here. Some mist. Some trees. Very pretty. I really do, I say this all the time. I really do like these pictures that they get for the boxes. I really do like it. So, at least there's something. Alright, so Battle Box. Mission 130. Winter Forge. When the cold hits hard, the world turns white. Only the prepared push through. Mission 130, Winter Forge, is about heat, grit, endurance. Building your own fire when everything around you freezes over. I don't know what that's like. We are right now in the death throes of winter. It's like 72 out there. Just saying. This month's gears forged for the frost, food that fuels, fire that lights without fail, blades that cut through the chill, and warmth that follows you wherever you roam. These aren't comfort items, man. They're cold weather weapons. Winter's coming. Not really. And it's not waiting for you to catch up, so dig deep. Strike the spark. Keep moving. All right, okay. I mean, we can do that, bro. All right, look. There's a lot of stuff in this here box. Nope. There you go. All right, first thing here we're going to take a look at is going to be this here flashlight because I love me some flashlights. And this is a Power Tack, okay? Now look. Power Tack, it's got a very Chinesium name, okay? I have a Power Tack headlamp. Absolutely love it. But if you look at this and you say Power Tack, I understand your concerns. My headlamp from Power Tack is awesome. I love it. I use it all the time. All right, so this is the Flex Beam, Adjustable Beam, Rechargeable, 1200 lumen on this bad boy here. Okay. Oh, it's got a magnetic charging system. Okay, we like that. And of course, it is a flashlight, so I hope it lights up the darkness. That would be mighty nice if it did that. Okay, so batteries. Okay, we can use one 18650 or we can use two 123A batteries. Hopefully this thing comes with a, yes, it does include the flashlight, the magnetic cable, the 18650 battery, the holster, spare O-rings, a lanyard, and the instruction manual. Okay, so what we got here? Here's the run times, right? Is this the run times? On the 18650, okay, so if you do drop down to the 123A batteries, you cannot do the high and the turbo mode. So make sure you work that out. You got to have the 18650 battery to do the 580 lumen and then the 1200 turbo mode. And it'll do the turbo mode for 3.4 hours. That's actually impressive. That's impressive. I like that. I like it. I love me some flashlights. So yeah. You know, look, I need to do a full-on flashlight review because, dude, bro, I got a lot of flashlights. Just saying, I got a lot of flashlights. All right, what we got here? What is this? Essential Provisions Field Fuel, high quality performance fuel. This is Hearty Bison Stew. This is 370 calories, 43 grams of protein, 28 grams of carbs, 930 milligrams of sodium. Holy crap. Ingredients: Bison, filtered water, organic tomato, organic carrots. Well, there you go. There's a, boy, everything organic, bro. Got Himalayan pink salt. You know what? I'm scared. I don't want to eat no bison. But you know what's cool about this right here? About this pack? You know what's cool about this right here? I have to send some packages off, and I haven't mailed them yet. And I know somebody, I'm not going to say any names. I know somebody that eats all kinds of weird stuff. So this will get a review. But it won't be by me. If you're interested in who's going to review that, comment in the comment section of this video. And I, or the person that will review that, will reply to your comment and tell you who's going to review it. All right, so we got a big thing here. What is this? This is one of them Pull Start Fire. Okay, look. This Pull Start Fire company, I use some of their, where are they at? I use some of their, you know, their Pull Start Fire igniting sticks. And I'm going to tell you, bro, those things work really, really good. They're expensive, but they work really, really well. So, you know, I didn't know they made, you know, something like this grill. So this is actually very interesting. And it says no matches, no lighters, ready in 5 minutes, 3 hours of cook time. And it says that it's preloaded. Check that out. It says it's preloaded. So this is cool. So in the same kind of situation that the Pull Start Fire, you know, the igniters work, that's all you do, man. You just pull it and it ignites, and there you go. This is really interesting. So it is single use, though. You can see right there, single use. So that kind of, you know, that kind of stinks that you can't reuse it. I mean, I get it, you know, but yeah, this would have been cool if somehow some Shire magic, you know, some Lotro magic could make it where you could reuse it. I mean, that would be kind of nice, you know, I'm just saying, but it is what it is. Okay, then we got a whiteout. I'm assuming this is going to be a knife. So we'll save that because we got this big thing here. Uh-oh, we got something else too. And that's it. Okay, what is this? This is a BATTLBOX blanket from Mountain Ops. Okay. Hang on, let me move some stuff. Hang on. I'm not ready. We'll put this stuff over here. We'll put this over here. Okay. So we got this Mountain Ops blanket. And it says it's from BATTLBOX. So I'm assuming this is like a collab kind of situation, right? I like stuff like this. Although, if I'm being 100% honest, oh, and I love that. They gave you a carrying bag, a storage bag. So that's much appreciated. So Mountain Ops, good job. Okay, so we got a big blanket. Okay. And yeah, it's just a big blanket. And it's, you know, it's good enough for one person. Like, it's long enough, wide enough. That's definitely what she said. Giggity, giggity, no diddy. But we do have we got some cordage on the ends, in the corners, which is good. So you could make shift, let's see. You can at least tie the corners up on one end, But do they have any more? Okay, that's going to be something probably to cinch it closed. Let's see, or cinch it. You know, when you're trying to pack it down, and we got that on all four corners. So that's good because that makes this have multiple purposes. Although I don't know if this thing is actually waterproof because you know, I could think of all kind of things you could use that. Okay, let's see. It features 200 GSM of synthetic insulation for take anywhere warmth and comfort. It's lightweight, ultra portable, packable. Okay. 100% polyester, machine washable, and it says clip it on for hands-free use, featuring the bold Mountain Ops branding so you can rep the brand. All right, that's important. We don't care about nothing else, bro. We care about you repping the brand. So when you go out in the woods, your buddies need to know that you're madly in love with Mountain Ops, I guess. Isn't that a little presumptuous? I mean, you know, if you would have went out and, you know, you bought this, right? Like, isn't that enough that I bought it? And now you telling me I got to rep it? Come on, bro. All right, I can't get that folded. I'm going to fold that thing up later. All right, it's got a carry bag. All right, now we got from Mountain Ops, we got some wool socks. All right, I like having wool socks. Okay, so these are Mountain Ops. Oh, look at that. They're BATTLBOX. They got the BATTLBOX logo on there. Okay, so these are some BATTLBOX socks, bro. I tell you what, these things look legit. I ain't gonna lie. Now, let me tell you something, dude. You gotta give credit where credit's due, man, if I get excited about some damn socks. Just saying. Let's see. Wool and nylon blend, targeted cushion impact zone, sag-free calf height performance. Now, that is kudos. Look, no guy likes pulling the socks up and then them sliding down. That's the most aggravating thing in the world. I'm just saying. Okay, so yeah, we got some socks. Okay, good. All right, that's awesome. Okay, I dig it. So this isn't the worst box in the world. I thought I was being told that this box sucked. Did one of y'all tell me this box sucked? Okay, I gotta pitch myself now. So you can, in the, you know, below the subscribe button, you know, over there by the subscribe button, there's a join button. And, you know, right now I have channel members watching this live, and they're chatting, judging me, you know, so you can join in the fun too for $4.99 a month. All right, so this is the knife. It is a limited edition by Russ Calmer. And it is the whiteout. Oh, wait, there's the guy. Avid outdoorsman, professional hunting and fishing guide. Let's see. And he did. Ooh, man, this dude from Alaska. Uh-oh. He's from Alaska. Do I have somebody in the chat right now, live, that's from Alaska? This guy says he's professional. All right, that's cool. This is professional Alaskan, yo. All right, so let's see. Let's take a gander real quick at what a professional Alaskan knife looks like. I like the scales. I mean, I'll give it that. It's pretty. It's a pretty knife. I like it. I like that. Okay, so I like the big sweep here in the, you know, choil area. We do have some jimping right here. Enough for your thumb. Okay, let's see. All right, there you go. Okay. All right, wait. We got to get back into it. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's not bad. Feels good. Feels good. What's his name? His name is Russ Calmer. Actually, he's got his name on the blade right there. So, yeah. Sorry. But yeah, you know, having these two holes, you know, is, you know, does provide some element of function. because you can run cordage through both these holes right here, and you can lash this to make you a makeshift like stabby stab implement if you needed to do that, among other things. There's tons of stuff you can do with holes like this in the tang here, you know what I'm saying? In the tangage area. Alright. And this is one hunk of steel. Let's see, does it say what it is? We'll look in the book. Okay, so anyway, the most vanilla milquetoast kind of leather sheath with just one loop, which is fine. You don't need nothing all fancy, right? Unless you're all bougie. But, you know, I did not hear the word tactical. So that's something, right? That's something. That, you know, it's not tactical, bro. I don't know if we should be happy or disappointed. Because, you know, hey, everything's tactical, right? All right, let's go to the book. All right, so the book for mission brief number 130. All right, what we got here? Okay, we got the full field fuel Hardy Bison stew. We got the pull start fire single-use grill. We got the socks. We got the PowerTac light, which is the advanced box item. So this is basic box, advanced box. Okay, that's not a bad looking flashlight. It kind of looks like one of my Ace flashlights, to be honest with you. All right, then the Pro Box adds the blanket. And the blanket is 52 inches by 75 inches. So like I said, very much enough coverage there for one person. Or possibly, you know, if you're extra medium, you know, like I am, you could probably use it to cover two people. So just saying. All right, and then if you go to the Pro Plus box, you get the knife. And the knife is D2 steel. It's ox bone. Yo. Them scales, man, that was ox bone, yo. Okay. So there you go. There's all the specs if you want to check that out. Okay, and you can also go to BattleBox's website if you are interested, because a lot of times, I guess through procurement of all these items, they do have overstock, and a lot of times they do sell these items on their website. So if you like any of these items, you can maybe find them for sale on BattleBox's website or Amazon, you know, whatever. You know, whatever you can do. All right, so tell me, guys, what do you guys think? This is mission brief number 130. You know, to be honest with you, I can't fit all this crap. I don't know why I'm trying to do that. But, you know, the blanket is thumbs up. Socks, thumbs up. The flashlight, definitely like that. Love the knife. The grill is awesome. I just hate that it's so much and it's just single use. That kind of stinks because it's a lot of waste. You know what I mean? And, you know, I'm not a hippie or nothing, but come on. You know, I like to try to, you know, get as much bang for my buck out of my stuff. And if you could buy, you know, maybe the fuel inserts for this and maybe reuse it, you know, you guys know what I'm saying, okay? That's all I'm saying. All right, sound off in the comment section down below. If you do want to see the review of the Bison stew, please sound off in the comment section down below, and I will tell you where to go to see the review of this. I'm totally putting somebody on Front Street. And, yeah, and let me know what you think about this box. I think, my opinion, my humble opinion, I think this was a really good box. I'm happy. So there you go. All right, so again, we're coming up on Christmas. Will this video go out before Christmas? Yes, it will go out before Christmas. But boy, it's getting close. Okay, as per usual, may the good Lord bless all of you. Be happy. Be thankful. Be humble. Give me a thumbs up on the video. Make sure you subscribe. And with that, I'm out of here, guys. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Y'all all be cool. I love all of you. Peace.